moodfabrics.com.
Welcome back. I'm Siobhan Cruz with moodfabrics.com for the Saffron Ensemble Beginner's Sewing Course. Today, we are going to finish sewing our shorts. We are going to fold over and pin our waistband in place before we add the elastic. We're going to fold it over a 1/2 inch, and what you can do is use your ruler just to make sure. And then we are going to fold it over again another 1/2 inch. Just to check. And pin in place. And we are going to do this all along the top edge. Just roll and pin. Now you have your waistband all folded over. You stitched along the top edge, and we left a small 2-inch opening right here in the back. This is where we're going to insert our elastic so we can pull it through the casing. So this part should be open because we're going to insert our elastic and then close it to finish. Now let's take a look at how we are going to insert our elastic through the waistband casing. Before you start, you want to make sure that you measure out enough elastic that will fit around your waist, but generally cut it maybe 2 inches shorter than your waist because you want it to fit nice and snug. That's what the elastic is supposed to do, just draw in your waist and fit nice and snug. So you want to cut your elastic just a little bit shorter. Now we have our opening, and I attached a safety pin to one end. And what you want to do is just insert it into the casing and just slide it and pull on the safety pin as you can feel it going through. It's going to take some time, so just be patient and just work it all the way through. Smoothing it out as you go along and gathering. You have to really feel for it when you get to the side seams. So just take your time and work it through. It's a little tricky, but just have patience and you can do it. We are almost there. And as you can see, it's gathering. Just pull it out, but make sure you have at least some slack on one end so you don't lose your elastic and have to start over from the beginning. Okay, so now we came right back out from where we started. Just gonna give that a pull. Okay. I'm gonna take off my safety pin. Now what you're gonna do is bring this back to the machine and you're going to stitch right across the elastic like this. You can hand stitch it if you want, but just make sure it's nice and tight and secure because the elastic is going to go in right underneath into the casing. Just stretch it out and make sure that it's all even around. You can work that part out later, but the main thing you want to do is close up that elastic. So take it to your machine and stitch it closed. Now let's take a look at our finished waistband. We inserted our elastic through the casing, and we just came back in and stitched up our 2-inch opening that we left to complete and finish it. Let's take a look at our finished shorts at the bottom. Our hemline is nice and pressed and finished. Crotch seam is pressed and complete.
We've completed our shorts. Let us know if you added side seam pockets to yours. I'm Siobhan Cruz with moodfabrics.com. Join us next time as we begin sewing our top. See you soon.